Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Guys, our South African actor Don Mlangeni Nawa has sadly passed away at the age of 66 years old. He was popular by acting in their different soaps such as Isidingo, School is Nice, and also Hlala Kwabafileyo. Passing of Nawa statement has released by the family on social media pages this morning, and they never revealed the passing of Nawa. Their statement states like this: "It is with deep heartbreak that we share the passing of our beloved father, Don Mlangeni Nawa, on the 16th of February 2025. He was the heart of our family, a loving father, brother, and friend. To the world, he was a gifted and respected actor who presently lived up every stage and screen he graced. His legacy lives on the lives he touched, the story he told, and the love he gave so freely. We are deeply moved by the outpouring of love and support. We kindly ask for privacy as we grieve this immense loss. Details regarding the memorial service and funeral arrangement will be shared in due course. We love and gratitude, the Nawa family. Rest in peace, Mr. Nawa. We always love you and also appreciate your hard work. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.